In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the studio theme in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Online Store. At the top of this page, you'll see your current live theme, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll find your theme library. Here, look for the studio theme. It might already be set as your current theme, or it could be sitting in the library. Once you've located it, look to the right side of that theme and click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a live preview of your store on the right, and on the left you'll see a list of sections and blocks. To rearrange a section or a block, hover over it, then drag and drop it up or down to the position you want. If you want to delete something, hover over it until you see a trash icon appear on the right, then click that. To temporarily hide a section or block without deleting it, hover over it and click the eye icon. Click the eye icon again to unhide it. Some sections contain blocks inside them. To see those blocks, click the small right-pointing arrow next to the section name. This will expand the section so you can see each block underneath, as well as an Add Block button. Click Add Block to see the available block types you can add to that specific section. You can also add entirely new sections. Click Add Section and choose from the list of available sections. Keep in mind that the sections you can add in the header, main template area, and footer may be different, depending on what Shopify allows in each area. To customize the design and content of any section or block, simply click on it. For example, if you select an image with text section, you'll see options to change the image itself, adjust its height, width, placement, and even animation. You can adjust content layout, position, alignment, and mobile alignment. You'll also find color settings, padding controls for top and bottom spacing, and additional theme-related settings like section thickness, reveal on-scroll effects, and sometimes a place for custom CSS. These options will vary depending on the type of section or block you're editing. If you want to make theme-wide changes, look at the far left sidebar near the top and click the gear icon for theme settings. Here you can adjust your logo, color palette, typography, layout, animations, buttons, variant pills, input fields, product cards, collection cards, blog cards, and more. Scroll through that panel to see everything available. To edit a different page, go to the top of the editor and find the page selector, which usually defaults to Home Page. Click it and choose the page you want to work on. For example, Products, then Default Product. The preview on the right will update to show that page, and the sections and blocks for that template will still be managed from the left panel in the same way. When you're happy with your changes, go to the top right corner and click Save to publish your updates to the theme.